You want to talk about an amazing meeting. In 1 hour, we just designed the property, rented out the house, helped the sellers move out, and I already have the contractor getting numbers to start construction tomorrow. You can't move any faster than that. This is my new house right here on the corner with all the stuff in front and the U-Haul. And then this is my house with all those cars here to also in front. Boom. I already own this one, and I just bought that one on the corner. We're gonna go over there. You're early. Good to see you, brother. How are you? Hey, bud. How you doing? I know it had a lot of work in here. Sounds good, man. We're good. I don't want to mess you up. We're just going to do a walkthrough and rock and roll and go through it. Come on in, guys. Thank you. So this is the same floor plan as the other one right around the corner. This is the open space here. You got more of a modern look in here. It's pretty cool, like an industrial type deal. Isn't that cool with the concrete floors? Appliances stay, which is nice. Nice backyard, little gazebo action. Got to rebuild this patio. This thing's a disaster, but really, really nice property. Little bar action in here. Obviously that's coming out. This probably needs to be rebuilt, but you got all these pavers for space and entertaining out here, which is good. And I already got Patrick over here who may have his home health care business here. It's a great, huge lot. Look at this thing. It's a big ass property. So it's already a 5. I can maybe even make this into a 6. We got stained concrete, super cool. Patrick doesn't like it, but that's okay. We got a full bath in here. The other one, we have a full shower in there as well. Here's a full bedroom here, bada boom. So there's a massive loft, just like in the other one. This is a bedroom here. You'll see it in the other one. The other one has doors that go to the outside here. So you also have like almost enough room. You could almost put another wall here. You could build out a 5th bedroom here. But we can also run a wall across here, or you can actually literally just bring the wall here and boom. Laundry room.
It was.
Oh, sweet.
Let me see one. Yeah.
I'm sorry, I don't want to be rude. I'm doing a walkthrough on a house.
No, we're doing a pull-up competition.
Pull-ups now. 10.
All day, son. What you got going?
I got like 2.
And some dirty ass hands I got. Alrighty, rocking. So it's the exact same floor plan as the other one, 2 doors down. So here's the master suite, walk-in closet there. 2 other bedrooms here, 1 downstairs, entertainment. Put a door in here, build out a closet. Here's your 5th bedroom. It's a great property. I always like to document before and after for insurance reasons, see what's here, especially before a tenant moves in. Super important.
Do I get paid for being on film? Is that a thing?
We can certainly compensate you with your good looks. Absolutely. So I'm gonna bring the contractor. So my guys are gonna change these locks out, I think, but just no. You got all day, bro. Don't stress. We're not even starting construction. We own the house right there. Want to come by? He was thinking about rent. That's what?
Yeah, they live there. That's what I sold to you guys.
That's crazy.
Yeah, he's like, I was like,
Was that a garden?
yeah, there's a couple gardens back there.
Cool. Yeah. See what you got.
This is a moringa. So the moringa in
Cool.
the Philippines is a miracle tree. White mulberry. That used to be a pumpkin patch.
Oh, that's awesome.
And then back here's my pomegranate.
I love pomegranates.
They're ready to go if you want to take some.
They're ready to go?
Oh, yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
They're ready to go? Oh, that's awesome. Thanks. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers, baby. Buying houses and eating fresh pomegranates from where?
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yeah, they're a special white variety.
¿Quieres un pomegranate? Un bueno. Pásalo. Gusto verte. This is my youngest contractor here. He has 14 kids. So as we can see on camera, I own this one, and then I just got this one. It's nice to have economies of scale. I got my crews in my container here. I'm just gonna literally roll them right over here. It's perfect. Come on in. Yava. It's exactly the same house. Okay, so let's go over what you need. So with this, I'm gonna rent to you. We're good, 30 days, no problem. You want, what, a year lease on that? There's an HOA here, you know that, right? Okay. So they did the same thing. We'll do the same door in there and then build a closet. I'll build a closet for you in the room in there too, because I like having a proper 5th bedroom. I'll get all new carpet, paint, and maybe I'll throw in a brand new kitchen there. I want to look at it and see. Nice, fucking beautiful. Looking real good. Ooh, daddy. Looking sharp. Let's go walk over to this one, figure out a game plan so everybody's on the same page, and we'll rock and roll. It's kind of a whole like industrial feel, totally different. I would paint the whole house, do carpet. You know, we can work with them. This is all like a custom, more industrial kitchen. It's pretty cool. Or we can just blow this all out, bring in the white shaker cabinets and go from there. No, tell me what you like. I respect your opinion.
My guys each get their own cabinet. As far as
their personal food.
So you need stuff.
So yeah, we put names on cabinets.
So listen, you just answered the question. Let's demo this out. Let's keep the appliances. Let's just do a white shaker with an island. Let's do some can lights in here. That way it helps them out, rock and roll. And then let's go. You want that floors? I'll give you your floors. Do you think you'll be here for at least a year?
Absolutely.
Great. So let's give the man his floors, and it's all about consultation. We got blinds already here. Let's run the same floors. We'll go the gray and white. Let's run the kitchen with an island. We know everything. This is already prepped. We'll do baseboards. Let's put a lighting fixture here. You know, and some light, you know, just a ceiling fan. It's an easy demo job, that's for sure. Yeah, we're changing out all the carpet for you. The rails, let's paint. We'll change out this lighting fixture. We'll paint this whole bad boy. We can reconfigure this, maybe shift this over and do the same door because you already have a good fan in here. And let's just do a little mini closet here or wherever you decide to put the door access, however you want. But don't demo this whole thing, it's already here. You make the decision and make it happen. I'm not worried about it. So we'll paint this, we'll take this down, the pull-up bar. Do you want us to leave this washer, this dryer if they don't take it? Do you need it?
Absolutely.
Okay, so leave this here. Let's tile in here because I hate that shit. Let's do, if this is salvageable, which it might be, we could just do handles. Do you need fans in rooms or just lighting fixtures? But
That's good.
okay, if they work, keep them. If not, you can change them out. All the drainage and everything is good for any plumbing issues on anything or no?
Everything drains.
Perfect, you're awesome. Dude, if you sold your weights, you would kill those on OfferUp right now.
I know.
People are just looking for like this stuff. It's crazy. It's insane. How many kids you guys have?
5.
Oh my God. Where are they? They should be helping you. I got you. I have 9 kids with 8 different women.
No,
Yeah.
you don't.
Ask these guys.
No wonder you're such a good shape. You gotta keep running.
I'm busy chasing them all. I gotta find a new girl. They all get rid of me after one. I'm just joking with you guys. I'm joking with you.
Well, we have a remote for that.
Perfect. The power of meeting the previous sellers to get the inside information. See, we just saved hours of work. All right, we got a game plan. We'll get baseboards in here too, Carlos. We'll get carpet up in here, tile in there, tile in the bathrooms, vanities. Rocking. So the fact that I'm doing all this for you in good faith, you're on camera, you're for sure taking it.
No, yeah.
Otherwise, I'm like, fuck.
What was the price? 16?
Shut up. All right, cool. We're good. Keep me posted on your HELOC for the Odium deal, and we'll get working on this so you guys can rent it, and we'll rock and roll. You know the game plan of what we're doing, and we're good to go. Great. They have great pomegranates in the back. They're amazing. Yeah, the good fruit. Your husband's got my number. We appreciate your confidence. Anything you need, we love referrals, so call Josh for anybody.
Trust me, we're telling everyone.
We appreciate it. Okay, so just out here, close on this deal today. Always great to catch the previous owners in there. Build a good rapport with them, always ask for referrals. You see that. If you buy the house from a wholesaler, you always want to revert them back to that wholesaler. You never want to step on anyone's toes. It was a great experience. They're super nice people. They're the ones that know the home intimately. So if there's any issues, now's the time to figure that out. Hey, there's extra remotes. Instead of changing out every single fan because we couldn't find the remotes or they hid them somewhere, guess what? Now we have the remotes. So you're gonna save hundreds of dollars without replacing fans, knowing about 2 electrical issues in the wall. No problem. Now we can resolve that immediately. We don't have to wait for an inspection or have an issue. We can be proactive when the crews are here. I love interacting with the owners. They know everything again about that house. Build a strong rapport with them, get those referrals, and maintain an amazing relationship with those wholesalers who are bringing you those deals. So you saw it was a great seamless transition. We're already friends. We exchange numbers. It's always really important to get the number of the sellers too. So if something pops up, maybe there's a warranty information, they fix something on the AC. Boom, beautiful. Hey, do you happen to have that paperwork? Is this under warranty? And they can become an advocate and assistance for you in the future, especially if you're holding it for rental, which this will be. This is gonna be in the rental portfolio. In fact, what you just saw too is I brought out here proactively a potential tenant. He's already decided to rent it. I'm gonna make some modifications to accommodate him and what his exit strategy is in terms of group homes. So I'm building custom cabinets for them, putting locks on doors for some of his tenants. So again, it's a win-win-win. You just saw they're moving on with their life. I got a new tenant moving in here, super excited. He was looking for a 5-bedroom. I got my contractor who was 2 doors down. You wanna talk about an amazing meeting. In 1 hour, we just designed the property, rented out the house, helped the sellers move out, and I already have the contractor getting numbers to start construction tomorrow. You can't move any faster than that. That's what you gotta do. Streamline the business, communicate effectively, make things happen. Time is money.